We're here at Bay 1 Bank of Elevators, here at the Sable Hotel here in Chicago. We got some 55s here. Normally these are key carded, but I need a key to go up.
Oh, you need it? Okay, I got it.
Here we go, 7. That's the MRL cabinet over there.
Elevators going down.
I believe these are EPCO Durance buttons. Nope. Let's get off here.
Oh, crumble cookies. Doesn't get better than that.
Let's buy the other one. Nope, it's here.
Elevator is going up.
Perfect timing.
Yep.
This is where your key card is, right here. Key card reader. Floor 7. I'm gonna go up here and ring the chime here. There's the MRL cabinet on the side. Let's go down to these are buttons here. Then we replace this button here.
Power on.
But it says hydraulic, it's distraction. It's MRL. Distraction. But yeah, we got more elevators down there. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it from this is bank number 2 here at the Sable Hotel here in Chicago. Same thing as the other car, other set. Let's try it.
Works. Oh, yes.
Floor 7. Elevator is going down. Floor 1.
Set it up.
Yeah. Oh yeah, the key card. That's a loose panel. Very wonderful.
Perfect, thank you.
Hey, how are you? Good, happy to see you.
Yeah, funny.
Here we go.
Nope, we're good. Thanks.
Let's shock myself.
6 for me, sir.
Thank you. There you go. How's your night going?
Pretty good.
Good.
I started, I clocked in at 3 p.m., so I'm here till
Okay.
11 o'clock.
Okay,
Not
gotcha.
too bad. How about you? You guys got anything planned today?
We're going on the Odyssey.
I heard
Yeah.
a lot of people going to that.
Yeah,
How
okay.
is that? Is that like a party, drink crew?
Yeah, well, I don't know. Oh, no.
Right.
So,
All right.
see ya.
Well, you enjoy your night. Have fun.
Okay, thanks, you too.
These are actually pretty nice elevators. Floor 7. Elevator is going down.
Elevator is going down.
Nice elevators. Certificate inspection there.
It's going up?
Yeah. I forgot to say that.
That's not good. Is it this way?
Yeah, this one.
Okay.
Next.
Anyway,
Okay.
I guess that is gonna be it for me. This is Bay 3 bank of elevators here at the Sable Hotel here in Chicago. Got another pair of 55s. Schindler 55s.
Elevator is going up.
Yes, we're going now to 7.
Floor 7.
MRL cabinet here. Let's go down to 1.
Elevator is going down. Floor 1.
Let's send this bad boy upstairs.
Okay. I'm gonna put the key here, okay?
Yeah.
Elevator is going up.
Let's get the other one.
Elevator is going up.
That sounded weird. Big thank you to someone who works at UH. Shoot. For giving me the opportunity to film these elevators fully.
Elevator is going down.
That voice sounded ugly. Also, these panels loose. Yep. But still, these are very nice elevators.
Floor 1.
Sounds like a drunk voice.
Elevator is going up.
That is very drunk. Hold the door. Anyway, I guess that is gonna be it for me.